Hey guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen.
Three brothers and a mommy.
I'm William.
I'm Tyler. I'm Ricky.
And
Mama. Hey, you haven't been here? What's here?
in last episode of the Jihlava Zoo, we oh, it's nothing. It's just water. Hey, some shade.
Oh, nice. That's where we should have eaten our ice cream. Uh-oh.
Ew. Naked baby butts. Not gonna ask. Guys, come on!
Oh, this is the other entrance. Maybe this one we can come out and go to the center.
Yep.
Let's go this
Here
way.
we go. Yeah, those tamarines or something, right? They have no clue, like, what to do. Cause they're not like supposed. They're not like supposed to be like out and about. Well, they are supposed to be about, but they're not supposed to be like.
Oh, that's the way we came down. Yeah, we were up there.
Hi.
Good job. Hey, look. That's beautiful.
Ellie.
Hey.
Was good.
Oh, good.
Stop. I gotta take her.
What?
Oh, yeah, look.
I can't see it in the camera.
And there's wild strawberries.
Oh, there's a lot of wild strawberries.
Yeah.
A lot.
A lot of them and big ones, but I'm not sure.
Please. Do you think anyone's gonna be stepping over there? There's a bunch of
Right.
bushes.
I guess you're okay because even the animal doesn't.
Here,
get
hold the
it.
camera.
Okay. But don't get poked. It looks like pokey plant there.
It is. Ooh. Oh, it's strong. Oh,
What?
strong.
What's strong? The
It is.
strawberry? Really? It's
That's
well.
what?
Maybe it's well fertilized. They are beautiful.
Probably the hog poops on it to fertilize it.
That's right.
That could be true though.
Shall I help you, honey?
I hope it's not true. Oh my God! Look at this one. This one, guys. Mom, you need to show the camera on something. Mom. And it's just not. Come on, show the camera on something. Can I just give you the camera? Thank you. Oh, thanks. Well, you shouldn't have done that, but okay. Hopefully there's no poop on this.
Let me have one.
It also out of battery.
Already?
Yes.
Already. It got, looks like it got hurt.
It looks like it was dead.
Look at this nice garden here.
It's like
You want to walk
guavas.
here? Where do you want to
Sure.
go?
It's like guavas.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
So, ah!
Oh no. These are the biggest
Don't.
I've seen.
Blow it.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Very
If it was
nice.
so sunny, I would just sit here and
This might be the best zoo I've been to. Everything is just like... Have we been here? No, we haven't. Oh, we could go over there. Sorry if this video ends randomly. That's how all of our videos end, randomly. You didn't even get to see the whole park or whole zoo.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, don't drink water.
Told you there to do the pee prank. Okay.
Mom. No. How much longer are we going to be here?
And we have to see all the animals. This looks good.
Oh, oh.
It's like this in like
Tyler, look at the picture. What?
That's leopard.
Oh, there. Where's, I saw,
That's
I
nice.
saw something.
Nice shot.
leopard. I know what's here.
Probably another area for the leopard. Excited.
So tired.
Is there anything here?
There should be a little panda.
Red panda.
We have to find it.
No.
Yeah, those.
I think it's up there. I think it's up there.
This is the only viewpoint. We don't see it.
That's just bad.
Maybe it's inside. Maybe there is a way inside.
Hey, look, more views. More views. Wait, I'm gonna stick my panda. What?
See that sleeping irbis. This one
What is that?
from China.
It's still. I thought.
Another kitty. I wonder if there's lion here.
If we see, we'll tell you in the next video. Yeah, there's also another viewpoint here.
Look through the window.
See for a panda. I thought, oh, that's a bird.
There's actually something through the window.
Where did Josh?
There's actually something dying.
What? What?
Look, Sorrel.
There.
Right there.
Hallelujah. It's not the good type though. It's not the good type though. Please. Come on, Rufy. Look at all that wood, Sorrel. Rufy was right, there is a lot of wood, Sorrel.
Yeah, but we can't get it now. Where is he?
He must be one of those.
Panda.
He must be one of those houses up there.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's hiding. Where's
There's
his house?
so much
Where's
wood,
the little
Sorrel.
house?
This.
Did
Did he look here?
No. I'm so sorry if this video ends randomly. But when it does, I'm not going to say bye because I won't know when it ends. So bye.
Why is it white?
Bye.
I'm just saying that because the video's going to end randomly. Trying to
I
show.
know.
This is Irbis. This is Irbis, Mom.
Oh, I love herbaceous.
Bye.
Supposed to be something here? Red panda. There's supposed to be a raccoon. There's supposed to be a raccoon. But, well, no raccoon. So that stinks. A bridge. Woody attacked. I'm so sorry if this video ends randomly. So sorry.
Oh, this is so nice for a picnic, guys.
Are those ducks? Yup. What do you know? What do you know? Duckies. You can see this everywhere here. Red, what the? You're supposed to see that without. Where are the red ducks?
When we go to the center, we are gonna eat there, okay?
Or Jihlava.
Oh no, don't point that.
Oh no.
I think bird hit a window.
We're going out somewhere else besides
Oh no, there's a
Yeah, we are going to the center
dead bird.
and see the center.
Okay, I'm not gonna show you. Oh, it's not. It played dead. It was playing dead.
Really?
You. That cuss. Oh, there it is. You.
I know.
How dare you? How dare you trick us?
That's alright. I've seen many of those birds, so I knew it was why.
How dare they trick us?
They tricked you, but not me.
Don't trick Mom. And also be hey.
Hey guys, I see flamingos.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end the video here.
Okay.
Sorry that you couldn't see the whole thing, but bye. Hope you enjoyed the part that we showed. Bye.
Bye.